Honka, honka, honka. Honka, honka, honka. Honka, honka, honka. Boop. You can honk it from the box. Do a honka, honka. No? Nothing? Nada. Stop it. Do you want to go in there? Let's put you in. Where are you going? Come here. You want to look at it? Where are you going? That's what Dusty was in. I used your carrier to take Dusty. I used your carrier to take Dusty. We're done. Hello? Grandma called in the middle of our video, so I quit recording. She said she took a nap after we all left for Mother's Day. And then the phone rang and she woke up and she thought it was Monday morning and that she missed her doctor's appointment. She didn't know what day it was and why her clothes was on. She's crazy like you, huh? She was all mixed up. We must have wore her out for Mother's Day. Are you ignoring me? Hello? 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 Is Max home? Guess not. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Where are you going? Where are you going? Why don't you want to be on camera anymore? You going to look for your carrier again? You going to go get in it? Do you want to get in your carrier? Want me to put you in it? I'm going to put you in it. You want to go in it? No! Don't you spill his water. Maxwell! Did you hear what I said? I'm putting you in the carrier. Let's go. You want to go in? Why don't you go in it? Oh. You're so funny. You're a funny bird. You're a funny bird. You're stepping in your poop. Now you got poopy toes. Well, if you want poop on your perch. And I just cleaned this off this morning. I just cleaned it off this morning. From your poopy butt. I did. I did. Don't you be Maxwell. Are you serious? Stop throwing food. Let go. I swear to God. Maxwell! You're not wasting food. Alright, tell me goodbye.